Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the impressive features of the LG S40T 2.1 channel soundbar with wireless subwoofer, the 2024 new model that promises to transform your home audio experience. With its sleek design and powerful performance, this soundbar delivers cinematic sound right into your living room, thanks to its 2 channels and a booming wireless subwoofer that packs a punch without taking up too much space. Enjoy enhanced sound quality for all your favorite shows, movies, and music with Dolby Digital and DTS Digital compatibility, while Dolby Audio ensures an immersive listening experience that captures every detail. The WOW interface allows you to control your soundbar and LG TV with a single remote, making adjustments a breeze. And the stylish crest design not only looks great but also protects your soundbar from dust and debris. Clear Voice Plus technology enhances voice clarity in movies and shows, so you never miss a word, and with the Smart Up mixer, you can easily customize the 3-band equalizer settings using the LG Soundbar app, tailoring the bass, treble, and mid-range frequencies to your liking. Experience the perfect blend of style, convenience, and superior sound with the LG S40T Soundbar, and elevate your entertainment to new heights.